Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by Ed Terra Adventures.
Hi, this is Samir Domin from The Millennium School, Lucknow. I am here with my friends to discuss over our Corbett trip.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
Starting off, we have a very basic question, a question that everyone would have pondered over before even paying the amounts. Why did you even come to this trip? It's a cold place, cold weather. Let's go to a thoughtful one. See.
Well, Samat, I'll be perfectly honest. I utterly despise the cold myself. I would much rather be curled up inside a blanket right now, but I consider myself quite an adventurer as well. So the idea of going on a safari in Jim Corbett, finding a tiger, a deer, some other animal, right there living, breathing in front of you was quite thrilling to me. And that's what brought me here.
The thrill is truly there. Well, let's go over to Pragya then.
Well, honestly, I never thought of coming here in the first place. My friend here, Tanvi, dragged me into it. And actually, I don't regret it. It's very fun. And that's not all. I really like jungles, and I find jungles so beautiful. So that was a great motivation.
An interesting yet valid reason. Well then, Tanvi, why did you join us?
So my parents don't really like the cold, but I just love traveling so much. And when I saw that we are going to Jim Corbett, I just wanted to go without any hesitation. So I begged my parents and I came here.
Let's look for a valid reason from Sid.
Well, my friends were going, so I had to go too. But I also wanted to see a tiger.
Well, fair enough. The most important question that we have here, describing like the experience that we had here. This was surreal, right? I just want to know what you guys learned and experienced in the safari, like in your own words. Let's go to Siddhant.
The Jeep safari was fantastic. Our mentor was absolutely fabulous. And I learned that males generally look better than the females. For example, let's take peacock, barasingha, lions. There are many more.
I would like to butt in here, but like, yes, I have been on my fair share of safaris all over India, right? I've done all of them, like so many. But when we were doing this one with our mentor, it was such a good experience. Like, we were talking always, discussing life, future, what we expected from the safari, from the trip. And over his hundreds of journeys with Ed Terra, he had so much to share us, so much enlightenment to give us. And I have to say, this is one of the best safaris that I've done. And well, let's see, who do we have left? The girl team, right?
Well, firstly, me, Tanvi and Pragya were in the same Jeep, so our stories might be a bit similar. But for me personally, the journey was amazing. It was a cold, foggy morning. I was freezing to death, but yet the view was just so beautiful, I could not think about the cold at all. The first animal we saw was a barking deer, and it was a very weird feeling because you only see these animals on TV or inside a zoo. So seeing it so up close in real life was quite interesting. And our guide too was amazing.
Man, moving over to Pumli.
So as Sia said, it was extremely cold. But it was a thrilling kind of cold. It was exhilarating. Once we entered, we saw sambar, barking deer, spotted deer, and even a barasingha. It was so cool. I also learned that October to February, it is the mating period of tigers. Chances of seeing one that day would have been near impossible because it was also really foggy. The guide told us that once the sun came, the tigers lay around in the grasslands, and that's the only activity they do other than breeding during the mating period.
Well, I agree with Tanvi and Sia. The experience was amazing. It was cold outside, we were freezing, the adrenaline rush was there, my friends were there, and a beautiful view was there. But the most important thing that I learned was how huge of a difference there is between seeing wildlife in a national park versus seeing it in a zoo. That made me realize how important forests are, not just as tourist places, but as a living ecosystem. Our smart guide also told us many fun facts about Jim Corbett and the tigers. Well, starting off, the tigers, each of them have unique stripes. The tigers are solitary animals and are apex predators. And their roar can be heard from about 3 kilometers away. That's crazy.
That really was quite interesting, Pragya. Now, I would like to take this moment to thank our school firstly, allowing us to take this trip, and secondly, at Terra for making this journey quite memorable, along with their mentors who helped us throughout the journey itself.
Of course, we need to thank our listeners and I would say most importantly, the friends that made this trip a real experience to be on. Thank you.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.